Brigit Credit Monitoring Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're exploring credit monitoring options, today's review will give you the real insights into Brigit's credit monitoring features so you can decide if it's right for you. Brigit is designed to be more than just a budgeting tool. It's a credit support platform aimed at individuals looking to understand, monitor, and improve their credit health without the complexities often found in traditional credit services. The primary features of Brigit's credit monitoring include personalized credit insights, regular updates on your credit score, alerts on key credit report changes, and tips to improve your credit standing. Brigit's credit monitoring isn't just for those trying to improve a poor credit score. It's useful for anyone who wants to stay on top of their credit situation proactively. It helps you track your progress by giving you access to personalized credit insights, showing how specific actions affect your credit score. Brigit also provides practical tips tailored to your situation, like recommendations for paying down debt or improving credit utilization, which can make a difference without overwhelming you with data. The platform is straightforward and mobile-friendly, which is great for users who prefer quick access to their financial health on the go. One unique benefit is Brigit's proactive alert system. Whenever there's a significant change to your credit file, such as a new inquiry, a missed payment, or other major activity, Brigit notifies you immediately. This can be invaluable in spotting errors or potential fraud early, giving you the chance to take swift action. Furthermore, Brigit's insights are based on real-time data, which means you aren't getting outdated information. This is particularly useful for anyone actively working on their credit goals. However, it's essential to note that Brigit's credit monitoring is a complement to its core budgeting and cash advance services, so it's ideal for users who plan to use multiple features of the app. If credit monitoring is your sole focus, you may want to compare Brigit's offering with other dedicated credit services. Overall, Brigit's credit monitoring is a good option if you're looking for an accessible, mobile-friendly platform that brings practical, actionable insights to improve and monitor your credit health. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to decide if Brigit is the right choice for your financial wellness.